Hey friends! Do you want to feel strong and full of energy? Some veggies give you power, and some look super fun and different. Let's go find these amazing vegetables together. Look, play, and discover.
Want to bring our lesson into your home? You can grab a free printable starter kit in the description below to practice at home.
I'm corn. I'm golden, sweet, and give you lots of energy to play.
Let's go see some corn. Look, these yellow kernels. This is corn. Corn. Can you say corn? It's sweet and fun. Pop, pop. Tap your fingers with me. Pop, pop, pop. Corn gives you energy to run and play. Let's take a bite. Yum! Can you find the corn? Point to it. Yay! You found it! Is it yellow or green? Tell me! Corn helps you stay strong and full of energy.
I'm potato. I give you lots of energy to run and play all day.
Let's go find a potato. Look! It grows under the ground. Potato. Potato. Can you say potato? Let's dig together. Dig, dig, dig. Potatoes give you energy to jump and run. Let's try a bite. Yum! Where's the potato? Show me. Great job! Is it hard or soft? Let's think. Potatoes help you grow strong.
I'm sweet potato. I'm naturally sweet and keep your heart very happy.
Let's go see a sweet potato. Look! This one is soft and sweet. Sweet potato. Can you say sweet potato? Do you like sweet or crunchy? Tell me. Sweet potatoes help your body grow healthy. Let's take a bite. Can you find it? Nice! Is it orange or brown? Point and say. Sweet potatoes help you stay strong.
I'm taro. I have a beautiful purple heart and make you feel strong.
Let's go find taro. Look, this is taro. Taro. Can you say taro? It's soft and a little sticky. Rub your hands and say sticky, sticky. Taro gives you energy to play. Let's try a bite. Yum! Where's the taro? Awesome! Is it smooth or rough? Tell me. Taro helps you grow strong and healthy.
I'm cassava. I'm a tropical treat that gives you strength to play.
Let's go see cassava. Look, this long root is cassava. Cassava. Can you say cassava? It grows deep in the ground. Stretch your arms long like cassava. Cassava gives you energy. Let's try a bite. Chomp. Can you find it? Great job! Is it long or short? Tell me. Cassava helps your body stay strong.
I'm crunchy like an apple and keep you feeling refreshed.
Let's go find jicama. Look, this round one is jicama. Can you say jicama? It's juicy and crunchy. Crunch, crunch. Tap your teeth. Crunch, crunch. Let's take a bite. Crunch. Where's the jicama? You found it. Is it round or long? Tell me. Jicama helps you stay healthy and strong.
Butternut squash. I'm creamy and sweet and I'm full of vitamins for you.
Let's go see butternut squash. Look at its shape. Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Can you say butternut squash? It's soft and a little sweet. Draw its shape in the air with me. Let's try a bite. Yum! Can you find it? Nice! Is it big or small? Tell me. It helps your body grow strong.
I'm Yam! I'm long and strong, and I'm full of energy for your big adventures.
Let's go find a yam. Look, this is a yam. Yam. Can you say yam? It's soft and tasty. Pat your tummy. Yum, yum. Yams give you lots of energy. Let's take a bite. Yum! Where's the yam? Great job! Is it soft or hard? Tell me. Yams help you stay strong.
I'm breadfruit. I'm big and round, and I taste like fresh bread.
Let's go see breadfruit. Look, this big one is breadfruit. Breadfruit. Can you say breadfruit? It grows on trees. Reach up high, like picking it. Let's try a bite. Chomp. Can you find it? You got it. Is it from the ground or a tree? Tell me. Breadfruit helps you grow strong.
I'm plantain. I look like a big banana and give you power to grow.
Let's go find plantain. Look, it looks like a banana. Plantain. Plantain. Can you say plantain? It's cooked before we eat it. Pretend to cook. Stir, stir. Let's take a bite. Yum! Where's the plantain? Nice job! Is it like a banana or different? Tell me. Plantains help you stay strong and healthy.
I'm okra. I have a cool star shape inside and help your tummy stay smooth.
Let's go see okra. Look, this is okra. Okra. Can you say okra? It's a little slimy. So funny. Make a silly face. Ew! Let's try a bite. Yum! Can you find the okra? Great job! Is it smooth or bumpy? Touch and tell me. Okra helps your body stay healthy.
I'm chayote. I'm crunchy and mild, and I love to keep you healthy.
Let's go find chayote. Look, this is chayote. Chayote. Can you say chayote? It's smooth and crunchy. Tap it. Tap, tap. Let's take a bite. Crunch. Where's the chayote? Nice! Is it light green or dark green? It helps you grow strong.
I'm daikon. I'm a big white radish that helps you digest your yummy food.
Let's go see daikon. Look, this long white veggie is daikon. Daikon. Can you say daikon? It's crunchy and fresh. Stretch your arms long. Let's try a bite. Crunch. Can you find it? You found it. Is it long or short? Daikon helps you stay healthy.
I'm bitter melon. I'm a little bit bitter, but I'm a superhero for your blood.
Let's go find bitter melon. Look at the bumps. Bitter melon. Bitter melon. Can you say bitter melon? It tastes a little bitter. Make a funny face. Mmm. Let's try a tiny bite. Where's the bitter melon? Great job! Is it smooth or bumpy? It helps your body stay healthy.
I'm kabocha squash. I'm sweet like a chestnut and make your body feel strong.
Let's go see kabocha. Look, this is kabocha. Kabocha. Can you say kabocha? It's soft and sweet. Pat your tummy. Yum! Can you find it? Nice! Is it green or orange? It helps you grow strong.
I'm delicata squash. I have pretty stripes and a sweet, creamy taste.
Let's go find delicata. Look at the stripes. Delicata. Delicata. Can you say delicata? Stripy and fun. Trace the stripes with your finger. Where is it? You found it. Is it striped or plain? It helps your body stay healthy.
I'm sunchoke. I look like ginger, but I'm sweet and crunchy like a nut.
Let's go see sunchoke. This funny root is sunchoke. Is sunchoke. Can you say sunchoke? It looks like ginger. Point. Same or different? Can you find it? Great job! Is it bumpy or smooth? It helps you grow strong.
I'm seaweed. I'm a gift from the ocean, full of minerals for your brain.
Let's go find seaweed. Look, from the ocean, seaweed. Seaweed. Can you say seaweed? Wave your hands. Whoosh. It's soft and a little salty. Where's the seaweed? Awesome! Is it from land or sea? It helps your body stay healthy.
I'm a wild and healthy treat for your liver.
Let's go see dandelion greens. Look, these are dandelion. Dandelion. Can you say dandelion greens? They grow in nature. Blow like a dandelion. Woo! Can you find them? Nice job. Are they leaves or flowers? They help you grow strong.
I'm amaranth leaves. I'm colorful and strong. And I'm your 100th veggie friend.
Let's go find amaranth leaves. Look, these are amaranth. Amaranth. Can you say amaranth leaves? They're colorful and soft. Point, what color do you see? Let's take a bite. Where are they? You found them. Are they green or purple? They help you stay strong and healthy. Wow, you explored so many amazing vegetables. Some give you energy, and some are fun and new to try. Remember, trying new veggies helps you grow strong and healthy. Which one will you try next? Let's go find more.
Great job today! Tap the link below to get your free printable kit. Download, print, and keep the learning going.